Students, next continuation, ring expansion. Next example, that is 5-membered ring is converted into 6-membered ring. Here positive charge present outside of the ring, so it will undergo ring expansion. So now here numbering we should start. Numbering only for I am giving only numbering for understanding purpose only. Numbering will start from 1, this second carbon, third, this is fourth carbon, this is fifth carbon, sixth carbon and seventh carbon. I am giving numbering only for understanding purpose only. So here this bond breaking, first step is now bond breaking in between third carbon and seventh carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon already positive charge is there. Bond breaking in between third and fourth. So here this bond having 2 electrons. This bond complete shifting towards right hand side. This bond complete shifting towards right hand side. This means this bond having 2 electrons. This 2 electron completely shifting towards right hand side. So this is seventh carbon getting negative charge. Now here what happened, that is this seventh carbon getting negative charge. This third carbon getting positive charge. This positive charge. This already old positive charge is there. This is old positive charge is there. Already we gave numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what? Now next what to do here in this compound here? This second carbon connected with seventh carbon. The seventh carbon connected with second carbon. This second carbon having positive charge is there and seventh carbon having negative charge is there. One negative charge and one positive charge combines to form a one single bond. So now here what happened now next now here what happened here? Like this. Like this. What is the structure now here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th, and seventh carbon connected with second carbon, like this. This is the structure. So here this is first carbon, this is second carbon, this third carbon. The third carbon already positive charge, a new positive charge. This third carbon having new positive charge, and fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. This seventh carbon connected with second carbon. So this is new bond. This is the simple structure. This is a simple structure. We can write this structure. We can write like this. This is number 1. This is second carbon. This is third carbon. This is fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon and seventh carbon. Now here third position, this third position having positive charge. This is the positive charge. This third carbon having positive charge. This positive charge present on third carbon. This is third carbon. Third carbon is called secondary carbocation. This carbon is called secondary carbocation. This carbon connected with only 2 other carbons, so that's why it is secondary carbocation. This secondary carbon cation want to be tertiary carbocation. Secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation. So here this carbon having one hydrogen, this hydrogen shifting towards here, means that is called hydride shifting, H minus shifting. So here what is the final product here? This is the tertiary carbocation. This secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation, so that's why it is a tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than, this is the tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. This is the secondary carbocation. This is tertiary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more stable than tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary. What is the reason? Due to the hyperconjugation. In this compound 7 hyperconjugates are present. Positive charge next carbon is alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having alpha hydrogen. Hyperconjugates depends on number of alpha hydrogen. So here total 7 hyperconjugates are present. Here in this compound 7 hyperconjugates are present. 3 hyperconjugates from here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 hyperconjugates are present. So that's why it is more stable. In this compound only 3 hyperconjugates are present. This positive charge beside carbon is called alpha carbon. here also 2 hydrogens, and beside carbon means this hydrogen. So total in the secondary carbocation only 3 hyperconjugates are present. 3 hyperconjugates are present. So out of these two, which one is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is more stable due to the presence of hyperconjugate. This is the simple trick, students. So ring expansion. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you. And one more, student, one more example. I will give one more example.